Good morning everyone. My name is Palak Saxena and I am teaching in Aster International as TGT English teacher. I am going to take your online classes of English literature and I hope under my guidance you all will be able to study better, and in case of any query you can always feel free to contact me. Thank you. Good morning dear students. Today we are going to start the first chapter of English literature, which is What's Your Dream? So before starting the chapter, I put a question for you all. Sit, think and tell me what is your dream. And once you watch this video, I want each and every student to write on WhatsApp about your own dream. So moving forward with the chapter, there are two main characters in the story. First is the young boy who is very happy, like you are. The other is an old man who is now a beggar. The two characters are a young boy and the beggar. Now the story starts with this young boy is sitting on a lychee tree. There is a lychee tree and this young boy is sitting and he is just chilling and enjoying. He is just passing on his time. But he is not aware of his dream. This boy has a dream but he doesn't know about it. Why? Because he never thought of it. He's just passing his time on the lychee tree. Now after 5 to 10 minutes, this beggar comes and speaks to him. He is sitting on the lychee tree. This beggar comes, stops near him and asks him, what is your dream? Now this young boy is shocked. Who is he? Why is he asking me these questions? So he chose to ignore. He didn't give the reply. Another time again, the beggar comes and asks him the same question. What is your dream? Now the boy is more shocked. Why? First of all, who is he and why is he asking the question? And secondly, the beggar is speaking in English. And do you find any beggar speaking in English? I don't think so. So now the boy told the beggar, dream. Yes. Last night I think, but I was sleeping. I had no dream. So I don't have any dream as of now. Then the beggar corrected the old boy by telling him, I am not talking about the dream that you had last night. I am talking about your main goal of life. What do you want in life? What is your dream? What do you want to achieve? Now the boy got a little confused and he thought and then he said, yes, I want a room of my own. Now the beggar said, a room of your own? Are you okay? Is this your dream? The boy said, yes, I have a very small room and I live with my family. I have to share that room with my sister, brother and parents. But I don't want to. I want a single and independent room of my own. Now the beggar told him, okay, you want a single room? That means you want independence, right? The boy said, yes, I want to be free. I want to have my own small room. Then the beggar questioned the young boy, then what are you doing for it? How will you get the room? How will you get a little room? You need to do something for it. Now the boy said, I have to do something? What? I have no idea. You tell me, how do I do that thing? So then the beggar said, you don't sit idle. If you have dreamt of something, if you have dream, go and work for it. Don't sit at home, because if you just sit, you will never get a thing of his own. Now the boy said, do you have any magic formula? Is there any formula by which I can get the room? The old man said, no, there is no formula but only hard work, but only dedication and only commitment, that if you want something, work for it. Now if you want a room, come down from the lychee tree and start working for it. Now when the young boy heard so many statements from the beggar, he understood that the beggar is intelligent, he is wise. So he asked him, Do you have some story of your own? Did something happen with you also? Then the beggar told him, yes, I had a kingdom, I had a palace, I had everything of my own, but unfortunately because I didn't work for it and I just wanted more and more, I became greedy, and because of my greed I lost everything. So it is my suggestion to you, instead of people taking your dreams, people stealing your dreams, you should yourself work on your dream. And now the boy understood what the beggar wanted to tell him. So the young boy immediately went to his house, he demanded for a new room, he started working, and finally the young boy got the room. So children, in the last, the beggar told 2 lines to the young boy, and they were, live long, my friend, be wise and strong. The beggar said, you live long, and remember, be very wise and strong. But do not take from any man his song. But do not steal anything or any idea or dream of any other man. Do your own work and prove your own self. So children, the moral of the story is, you should always be hardworking, because there will be a time when difficult time will come. Children, when you start doing something, when you start working for your aim, you will have problems, you will have difficulties, but don't give up. Be wise and strong and fight for your dreams, and one day you will certainly achieve it. Thank you.